Welcome to IQD to VND. The Iraqi Dinar revaluation is now official. Here's everything you need to know. The wait is over. After years of speculation, analysis, and hope, the Iraqi Dinar IQD revaluation is no longer a possibility. It's now a documented reality. In a historic and game-changing announcement, the U.S. government has officially confirmed the revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar. This isn't just another rumor from an online forum or baseless prediction. It's a verified financial development that's been publicly acknowledged by the U.S. Treasury Department. This moment marks a pivotal shift in the global financial landscape, impacting not only dinar holders but also global markets, currency traders, and Iraq's economic future. In this exclusive, in-depth update, we'll walk you through the U.S. confirmation and what it means, the new exchange rate, and its financial implications, how to prepare for the currency exchange process, revaluation versus redenomination, what's the difference, the potential future of the Vietnamese dong, VND, and most importantly, how to protect and maximize your gains. Let's dive into this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. U.S. Treasury officially acknowledges Iraqi dinar revaluation. This isn't speculation. The U.S. Treasury Department has formally recognized the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. This official recognition transforms what was once a speculative asset into a legally acknowledged, globally tradable currency with a new, significantly higher market value. This declaration empowers banks, currency exchanges, and international financial institutions to immediately begin recalibrating their systems to reflect the new valuation. For IQD holders, this is the moment that validates your patience and belief in this opportunity. New exchange rate. IQD is no longer pennies. Let's talk numbers. As per the most recent and verified updates, the new exchange rate stands at $3.22 per one Iraqi dinar. If you hold 10,000 IQD, you're now looking at 32,200 USD. If you hold 1 million IQD, that's 3.22 million USD, life-changing wealth. This massive leap in value is being rolled out across banks and currency exchanges in the US, Europe, and beyond. Financial institutions are actively updating their systems, training staff, and implementing new protocols to support the revaluation process. What's the difference? Revaluation versus redenomination. There's been confusion between these two terms. Let's clarify. Revaluation, a strategic increase in the value of a currency based on the country's improved economic conditions, which is exactly what's happening with the Iraqi dinar. Redenomination involves changing the face value of notes, e.g. removing zeros, usually requiring new currency designs. This is a revaluation, not a redenomination. Your current IQD notes remain valid and will be exchanged at the new rate through authorized financial channels. Preparing for your currency exchange, key steps. If you're ready to exchange your IQD for USD or another major currency, here's what you need to do. 1. Contact your bank or currency exchange center. Not every institution is ready yet. Confirm that your local bank or exchange center is equipped to process Iraqi dinars at the new rate. 2. Gather essential documents. You'll likely need government-issued ID proof of purchase, if available, clean and legible IQD notes. 3. Book an appointment. Due to high demand and large transaction sizes, many banks require appointments. Plan ahead and stay flexible. 4. Verify exchange rates. Cross-check rates on multiple platforms to avoid getting a lowball offer. Some banks may take longer to update their systems. The potential wealth shift. Breaking it down. If you had purchased 1 million IQD when it was valued at less than $1,000, your investment has now potentially transformed into $3.22 million, and that's not where the story ends. Some financial experts suggest the rate could increase further, possibly hitting $9 or more per IQD. If that happens, 1 million IQD equals 9 million USD. This kind of return doesn't just change lifestyles, it creates generational wealth. Think debt freedom, property investments, travel, philanthropy, and lasting legacies. Why $9 per dinar isn't just wishful thinking. Many investors are asking, could the value really reach $9? The answer is, it's possible. And here's why. 1. Iraq's strong economic reforms. The Central Bank of Iraq is implementing robust policies, expanding digital banking, and fostering international financial partnerships. 2. Oil wealth. Iraq holds some of the largest oil reserves in the world, and with oil prices stable, the nation's revenue and global importance are on the rise. 3. Geopolitical stability. Diplomatic relations are improving, and Iraq's regional security has significantly strengthened, opening doors for further international cooperation. These factors combine to support a strong, sustainable valuation of the Iraqi dinar, not a fleeting spike. Redemption centers, a powerful advantage. Another important element to consider, redemption centers. These specialized facilities may offer higher exchange rates, faster transaction processing, premium services for large volume exchanges. While many are not publicly listed, reports suggest that some early exchangers receive better rates and smoother service by using them. It's worth researching whether one is operating near you. Critical tips to protect your investment. 1. Stay updated. The revaluation is real, but the implementation is still evolving. Stay on top of breaking news and updates through trusted sources like this channel. 2. Consult a financial advisor. Don't go into this blind. Tax implications, investment strategies, and timing all matter. Get professional help. 3. Create a plan. Decide whether to exchange now or wait for possible rate increases. Each holder's situation is unique. Strategize instead of reacting. What about the Vietnamese dong, VND? While the Iraqi dinar takes center stage, many are speculating about the Vietnamese dong, VND, following a similar path. Vietnam's economy is rapidly expanding thanks to tech innovation and digital transformation, manufacturing and export surges, increased foreign direct investment, strong trade ties with the US and China. If Iraq's success is a roadmap, Vietnam might be next in line for a currency surge. It's a space worth watching closely, and we'll keep you informed on this channel. Final thoughts. A turning point in global currency history. The Iraqi dinar's revaluation is more than just a financial shift. It's a historic moment. For those who held on through the doubts and delays, the reward is finally here. This could be the start of a new financial era, and you're part of it. Whether you're planning your first exchange or considering long-term strategies, now is the time to stay sharp, informed, and proactive. Subscribe to IQD to VND for non-stop updates, expert insights, and critical news that could shape your financial future.